Yes, I'm here again once more, my people. Big up, respect, and manners to each and everyone. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to present to you videos that are being talked about on social media, and I have information to give to you as well. Alright, so first things first. I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened during a confrontation between at least two persons. And a part of the video shows when one person throw an object or a type of tool at someone, and that object or the tool hit the person, viewers and subscribers. I don't have any confirmed information as to what started the confrontation between at least the two persons we can see and hear in the video, but if you look and listen to the video carefully, you might get to some form of understanding about the situation. All right, now one of the reasons why I'm presenting this video to you is because the video is being talked about on social media, and I want you to look and listen to this video and tell me what you think about the situation that you can see and hear in this video. You can also tell me what would you do to avoid a confrontation like this, viewers and subscribers. All right, now please bear in mind that you can hear harsh language in this video, so before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe, my people. No big man that, like big man that. In my point of view, I have to big man still, but. Alright, my people, so I'm going to play back a part of the video right here. Alright, listen, because I think I hear the word borrow in at least one part of the video. Listen. Here, listen again. That might be a clue. Guess what I say? Alright, so I think I've said this before in at least one previous video that I posted some time ago. Try your best to avoid certain type of confrontations. You see what I say? Yeah, so tell me what you think about that situation. See me? Tell me what would you do to avoid a situation like that, viewers and subscribers. Alright? Okay, so I am going to present a piece of a video to you, my viewers and subscribers, that someone sent to me, Dancehall Skilla. Now, someone sent me two pieces of videos that have been recorded in Jamaica. And one of those videos clearly shows when someone attacked a person with a weapon. I got the understanding that those two persons was arguing with each other, viewers and subscribers, and at some point, one person hold an object that I call a weapon and attacked the person with the weapon, viewers and subscribers. The video shows when one person was trying to run away from the person who was holding the weapon, but the person who was holding the weapon chased the person, viewers and subscribers. The next video that I saw shows when the other person who was trying to run away from the person who had the weapon holding a weapon also. And then that video shows when both persons attacked each other with weapons that they were holding. At least one of those videos clearly shows when one person strike the other person with a weapon, but I don't have any confirmed information if any of those persons had been injured, viewers and subscribers. So what I'm saying to you, I don't have any confirmed information as to what started the confrontation that led to the point where those two persons attacked each other with weapons. And one of the reasons why I am presenting piece of one of those videos to you and also talking about those videos is because I got the understanding that those videos or the situation itself is being talked about at least one place on social media. So may I say, and I want you, my viewers and subscribers, to get a good understanding about the situation and to tell me what to think about the situation based on what I said and this piece of video that I'm about to present to you. And I want you to please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this piece of video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe. Now, I want to say this to each and everyone that in my point of view, I don't think that violence is the answer to any situation. You see me, I say, no, I don't believe so. I know that you have some good, logical, conscious, good thinking persons out there, I know that, you understand? But you have some persons who seems as if they make anger get the best of them, are them have some form of belief where me not agree with. You see me, because I don't see violence as no answer. Listen. My best advice is that if you and someone come to some form of disagreement, and if you see that you and the person are getting into some form of heated argument or confrontation, just walk away. Or if you can talk over your differences with the person, that would be okay. But if you can't come to agreement, just walk away. You go there, so that person go there, so. No matter if you hear anybody else say certain things and I say, oh, you're this one, you're that, you're way, ignore those persons and avoid certain type of confrontations. Now, on to the information part now, viewers and subscribers. So, I got information that 5 Burger King employees have been slapped with several charges. And it is believed that they allegedly are involved in some type of fraud. So, it is said that they allegedly stole an undetermined sum of money from the Harborview location. Remember, I said Burger King employees. So it is said that charges includes larceny as a servant and conspiracy to defraud and so on, viewers and subscribers. See, I also got a list of names of persons who allegedly are said to be involved in the whole situation, viewers and subscribers. So may I say, but they might get too deep into that part. So reports are that between December last year, that's the year 2022, and March this year, the employees allegedly stole money from the establishment. A report was made sometime this year, viewers and subscribers, and that resulted in those persons being arrested, viewers and subscribers. Obviously, that means the police got involved. You know what I say? So it is said that reports are that further investigations, including an audit, are being conducted to verify the actual extent of the fraud. According to more information that I got, and I'm going to say according to a release from the police's corporate communications unit, those persons who had been accused are scheduled to appear in court at a certain date this year, viewers and subscribers. So may I say, I don't want to give you no wrong information there. So my people, just I give the information there what me get. I hope that it was informative, as you may say. Oh, and if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. And if you have been watching Dancehall Skilla channel for some time now and have not yet clicked the subscribe button, please do so and click the notification bell as well, so that you too can be notified whenever I post a video. Alright. Now, I'm going to leave a video with you, my viewers and subscribers, and this video that I'm about to leave with you had been recorded within the country that is known as Jamaica, but I don't have any confirmed information as to exactly where within the country of Jamaica the video had been recorded. The video that I'm about to leave with you, or the video that I'm about to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, is going to show a motor vehicle on fire. Yes. I got the understanding that the video shows a motor vehicle that somehow caught on fire. Now, I don't have any confirmed information to determine if anyone had been injured or if there was any fatality. And the video is getting some attention on social media. One of the reasons why I'm presenting the video to you is because the video is being talked about on social media. So I want to look and listen to the video carefully and tell me what I think about the situation that I can see and hear in the video or about the video itself. And please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Alright, so here's the video, and until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Sitting about up on the area to store. Skilla, burn up. Car fire one. Load plate one car, burn up. One car, burn up over there. Load plate, burn right up. Man. Car burn up on the roadside.
Some people ain't sick in the
highway, you know. That's a one on the highway, one car catch a fire. Catch everything on fire. Well, I don't know what happened, but it's gone. Going right out. Everything going out. Going right out on the highway, boy. What do you